welcome back to my channel, and so welcome back. And I'm like, where's the intro? There's not gonna be any let's call it, what's it called? But yeah, please not gonna be because I don't have time to add it, and it's Friday, and every Friday I have to post. I always make a video on Friday and then end up posting on Saturday. So today I'm gonna make this slime, and the other one melted, and this one's like really tiny, and hopefully it's still the color purple. If not, I just could make it more dark purple. Yeah. So let's get started. Before we get into a video, please like, subscribe, retake. Okay. Take 2. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell every time down below. Hit the notification down below where you want me to post. And yeah. Sorry, I took my lamp out, so it's too bright. Okay. So this is the this one is this one. The purple one is buttery and it's pretty. Oh, there's a bubble. So here we go. This looks so pretty, and this picture you will see in my profile picture. Yeah. Doesn't look purple anymore now. I'm going to be adding food coloring. Look at the difference. So this is not bad. The blue one stings. Like, do you back when I put the food coloring? Guys, the food coloring is on. Oh, that's so cool. I added more red than blue. Hopefully the red mixes it. Because I want the red much more than the blue one. The blue one, it takes work. Because I'm trying to find soap. It smells bad now. This kind of smells like that. the mixture of it. Okay. Oh my god, I didn't pause it. Finished touch. Hey guys, please like, subscribe, and comment down below the video. Why it looks like weird? But I can't say flashlight, but like in real life, it looks like a different color. Peace, guys.